dent in a Subaru Fender here. Not exactly sure what happened, but someone might have sat on it, punched it. Not sure. Pretty messy looking, but with that you can see natural light here. Alright, I just finished up on this Subaru Fender here. Show you guys the final product. So lots of pushing on the back side of the panel and lots of tapping from the outside because it was kind of a messy looking dent. Everything was accessed from back here. Move the liner, gives you really good access. We'll put that back together here shortly. But as you can see, it came out great. All done at the customer's house in their garage. So we come to you. You don't have to worry about dropping it off at a shop or anything. So, all right, thank you for watching.